Hello everyone, welcome back once again to our channel, Techieideaz. Today we are going to talk about some more features once you log in to your account. So I'm going to office.com, as that's our startup. Click on sign in. Right in this section, the login information would appear. You would need to type your email address. So here, as soon as I type in my username and password, since this password has been set to me by my organization and it's asking me to reset the password, or probably there is a policy within my organization that I have to change my password at a certain time. Most organizations use 90 days, some use 180 days, which is 3 months or 6 months, or some even as soon as the account is created, since that password is created by the IT department, they check an option where it says the user has to change the password upon first login. So since this was the first login for this account, it's asking me still the existing password, which I do have it, and then confirming from me the new password. And reconfirm the new password. I will click on sign in, and this will successfully change my password if everything is correct. So you can see it says you have seen that password too many times before, choose something harder to guess. And if I click on details, why it's that Microsoft is recently blocking some of the known password or some of the well-known wording. So I will try to make it a bit harder. Adding some complexity to it so it can accept it. Sign in, and hopefully this time, I know I have used some more phrases, so it will definitely accept it. This screen says stay sign in. Do this to reduce the number of times you are asked to sign in. It depends on whatever computer you are using. I would suggest if it's your personal computer or work-related official computer, you can click yes. But if it is your friends or you're using an internet cafe computer, strongly suggest to select no. Even I would select a no. Part of the security is also a best practice to say no. So as you can see, I'm logging. We did talk a lot. If you don't know, please go and watch other videos. So here we're going back and today showing you some other features that remains. For instance, one of them we touch base a little bit on the password, that how you can change your password. So you will click on change your password, and here you go. This will load up the screen, and from this screen again you would type in the old password, and in my case my old password is this recently changed password, the password that I just changed and logged in with it. So that's considered as the old password. And for my new password, it's another new password that I need to select, and then I would need to confirm that new password. I won't do that. The reason is I just changed my password. So you can see strong password required enter 8 to 256 characters. So you can use pretty much anything, combination of uppercase, lowercase, letters, numbers, and symbols. That's considered as a strong password, and even once you're typing the password, it will definitely show you the strength of the password. For instance, I'm just typing something to see how strong it is, and you can see it's strong. If I remove 2 or 3 words, it may show weak, normal, depending on whatever password you type. So this is how you would change your password. Thank you, stay tuned, and follow for more videos.